Hello, writers! Welcome to our writing lesson. Writers, I am Miss Caro from Second B, and I appear in this picture. Today's teaching point is non-fiction writers teach with pictures as well as words. Let's remember what we have learned. When we write a teaching book, we need to think about a topic, plan and write words. Then we have to think about our readers' questions in who, where, how, when, and why. Writers, here is what I did last lesson. So here I have a piece of writing, and on top I have a boring drawing. So it's very important to have here very colorful drawings and add more details. So let's see. Okay, writers, let's see what I have done. I made a beautiful drawing. I wrote words, some pictures, and I used arrows. Can you learn more with this picture? Yes, of course. Let's continue. I did another example. So here I used arrows and words. Can you see? And I zoomed some pictures. Writers, remember that our drawing must be related to our text. So you can work every muscle of your body. Also, if you practice it will increase your flexibility. Writers, for this lesson you need your writing copybook, your pencil, your eraser, and color pencils. So, how can you teach your readers? You have to think about when you write in who, where, how, when, and why. And in this lesson, we learned that we must use pictures. So you have to use arrows, some words, and zoom in. So writers, now you have to continue writing about your topic on your copybooks, and you have to start adding drawings using arrows, words, and zoom in, like I showed you before. Okay, writers, see you next lesson and have a good day. Take care.